epic force that is Indian Police Force. How big is the excitement barometer around this show, that too right at the beginning of 2024?
So I'm not going to answer this question as someone from Amazon, but as a true fan and viewer, and I'm a massive fan of what Rohit Shetty creates. So the excitement personally for me is huge, and what we've seen, ever since the teaser broke for the show and the previous announcement, the level of excitement amongst Amazon, amongst our viewers, in social media, wherever we are picking this up, is just immense. So we are really, really excited, really looking forward to 19 January.
Indeed, there's a buzz that we're also looking forward to 19 Jan. Thank you so much. Wish you the best. Next question's coming in from Lipika Verma for Shweta, Nikitan and Isha. Starting with Shweta.
लिपिका जी तो होगी यहाँ पे किधर है लिपिका जी किधर है हाँ ओके लिपिका जी हाँ.
Shweta, starting with you. Rohit Shetty's Cop Universe is entering the OTT platform, which means it will be global audience. How excited are you about your character taking this police force globally?
See, first of all, being a part of Rohit Shetty's Cop Universe itself it's an honor, and I was so excited when I got a call from Vidhi. She called me first and she said, "Do you want to be a part of it?" I said, "Yes." "Do you want to hear your character?" I said, "No, just it's okay. I'm doing it." I was so excited because I met him first in KKK. That is Khatron Ke Khiladi. I used to be so scared of him. I'm still scared of you. So that time I used to be very scared of him. I used to be very scared of him. जब भी ये बोलते थे, "और श्वेता," मैं कहा, "हाँ." I used to be like that. But when I came on the sets, when I met everyone here, I think after him, she's the scariest one. This one.
स्नेहा शेट्टी
Shetty. Yeah, Shetty. She's the scariest one on the sets.
उसका पति भी यही बोलता
But yes, on the sets, he makes everyone so comfortable. और आप, when he's talking to you, आपको at times समझ में नहीं आता whether he's joking or he's serious. लेकिन अगर आप late आ गए तो कहते, "तू late आई?" और like, अब ये मतलब डांटने वाले हैं कि पूछने वाले हैं, समझ नहीं आता है. एंड देन होल डे पेंसिल गिरी, दिस इज बिकॉज श्वेता लेट आई. So he's so jovial all the time. He makes you so comfortable. You know, normally when you go to other filmy people, they make you realize, oh, you're small, you're from a, you're from TV, you're from, on the sets, every actor had the same kind of respect. Every actor had the same kind of value on the sets, and that was amazing. I think it was great working with them. And these actors here, the big legends, all of them, they were so nice, rehearsing scenes with you, coming to you. मैंने देखे हैं actors who say rehearsal की ज़रूरत नहीं है. With them, they all came, they rehearsed their lines, they did it. And on top of it, I have to say and mention, the team here, they rehearse before we go in front of camera. My God, they're so complex हो जाता है. They're so good. Yeah, this the way they perform in front of the camera when he makes them rehearse. You just look at them and you feel, इसको match कर पाएंगे क्या? He has amazing team. The way they explain.
अगली फिल्म तुम लोग के साथ
Yeah, everybody, the way they deliver their dialogues, the way they perform, is so good. So I think it was an honor to be a part of his series and his cop world. And मैं अगली बार, he had said, when the first time I came on a set, he said, देख श्वेता, तुझे रोज ना खाना लेकर आना पड़ेगा, तब अगले प्रोजेक्ट में आएगी. मैंने कहा, सर मैं रोज लेकर आऊंगी. But without खाना ही मुझे ले लिया अगले प्रोजेक्ट में. Thank you so much.
Wish you the best, Shweta. Nikitan.
For me, working with Rohit Bhai is
कितना हो गया काम 3 पिक्चर हो गया ना चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस
Suryavanshi. For me, working with Rohit Bhai is just like coming home. Like all of them have said, each one of them are my friends, not from now, but since Chennai Express. And I love him. And if he tells me go stand there in the corner, and that's what you're doing, there's no questions asked. I remember I got a call for Suryavanshi. I went and met him and I said, "Sir, I'm doing it." He's like, "Nee, tu sun le." And I was like, "No, sir, it's enough." Because after Chennai Express, it was a long break. I actually went to his office one day. I said, "Sir, कुछ problem है मुझसे, कुछ गलती हो गई, आप बता दीजिए, कुछ improve करूँ." And he's like, "No, I've done Thangabali with you, and if I ever do something, it'll be better." So
तेरे नाम का रेस्टोरेंट भी है
उसने बोला free खाना भी है.
दादर में
हाँ, उसने बोला free खाना भी है. माटूंगा मैं.
जाके खा लो चुपचाप फ्री में
Yeah, I mean, when I got to know that I'm playing a cop in his universe, because I've seen the other side of it, it was absolutely exciting, and I couldn't have asked for something more. The way he presented me in Chennai Express is nearly 10 years now. People still remember it, just like yesterday. So I know the magic he creates, and like in his words, मेरा राशन कार्ड इनका, इनकी कंपनी का तो इधर ही हूँ.